This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Join the session. So we'll start the class. So is the screen is visible to all? Okay, so today's topic is cash journal in SAP FI. So what is cash journal in SAP FI? Are you able to see the screen? In SAP FI Financial Accounting, a cash journal is a tool used to manage and record cash transactions for a specific cash account within a company. It allows user to track all incoming and outgoing cash movement such as petty cash expenses means small amount of expenses, cash sales, cash receipt, cash payment, employee reimbursement. What is the employee reimbursement means? Refers to the process where an employer pays back our employees for expenses they incurred while carrying out work related duties. This typically involves reimbursing employees for costs like traveling expenses, meals like small food expenses, transportations, and other work related purchases. Offering often requiring the submissions of receipts and other documents as a proof of the expenses. This is, I'll give an example. Suppose one employee is posting to somewhere, or employee has sent to another branch which is in another place. Suppose let's take one company, Sony Private Limited. This company, one employee, Sham. So that employee has been sent to the other branch which is in Hyderabad. So to what for the some verifications of the documents. So the traveling expenses which company will pay to the Mr. Sham, that is called as a your what is that petty cash expenses. In such cases, if company is paying 2000 and he has spent like 1500, then it is like reimbursement, and he has to show the proof on that he has done that visit to the other branch. So if he is showing his receipts and all, or whatever food expenses he has done, if they are giving, that is also comes in the cash journals here. So this is called employees reimbursement. So that is the meaning. Work related duties when the employee will do. This is typical, just like conveyance charges or some things. That is also it will come under this. So cost like travel, meals, transportations, or other work related purchases, offering requiring the submission of receipt means that bill has to give, or other documentation as a proof of the expenses means the employee has paid expenses for that, Suppose company is not paying before, once expenses is done, then they will pay as a like convent expenses also we can say that. So he will produce the bill, then a company will pay for that. That is also expenses for the company. Okay, so this type of transactions can be done in the cash journal. Okay, so you can make a note what is cash journal in SAP. Till that other students will join means we can start this. So understood this? Make a note, then we'll proceed for the next. So what are the key features of cash journal in SAP? What is that? Real-time recording. It is known as real-time recording. Transactions are posted in real time and directly affect the general ledgers, that is GL account. Cash journals. So real-time recording means whatever transactions on time as it is done, that has to be recorded in the general ledger account. Cash journal document types. What is that? Specific document types are used for cash journal posting to differentiate from the other financial document like what we have done KA, KR, KZ documents and DA, DR, DZ. It is different from that. So we need to create separate cash journal document to make it as a difference. Daily balances. SAP allows you to view daily cash balances and monitor cash flow over time. Okay, cash inflow and outflow. And multiple cash journals. You can maintain different cash journals per company code or per physical cash register locations. So you can make this point. You can note down this point. Then we'll do the start. It is just few things is there. Another 5 minutes will you can just make it, and then we'll start working on the software. Everyone has joined the session. Okay, completed. So we'll proceed the next one. So integrations, it is there one more. Integrated with general ledger accounting and sometimes with controlling or assets accounting is if needed. But integrations part is not for us. Just you can write till this is the another modules that we need not to do. Only 4 points you need to write. So this is multiple cash journals. Then we'll start typical transactions in cash journals. How to do this? So done students, we'll be starting next. So typical transactions we are going to do. Transactions type SAP actions like cash inflow, receipt from customers, cash sales, cash outflow, payment to vendors, petty cash expenses or normal expenses like purchase what we are doing that expenses, internal transfer, movement cash between bank or cash that is like deposits withdrawal that also it will take into considerations like you are depositing in the bank that transactions can be entered, you are withdrawing from bank that also can be entered, right? Typical transactions can in cash journals. What are the points you noted? There's a few points is there. Complete this, we will start. Any receipts of cash that is called cash inflow like in the form of rent receipt, commission receipt, receipt from customers after sale of goods or any type of revenue incomes that is called cash inflow. What is cash outflow? All type of expenses we are paying to the vendors or we are doing petty cash expenses or we are paying for traveling expenses, so interest paid we are doing, okay, that all it will includes cash outflow things. Clear? Completed students, this is all. If you have done till this much, put your response. Okay. So typical turn. Next you can make a note. Common SAPT codes for cash journal. Till this much you need to write. This is the last page you can write. T code descriptions FBCJ. Maintain and post cash journal entries. This is, I will tell you, do not write. I'll tell you the codes and all. This is common T codes are there, but we can do directly on this. So why it is important? Need not to write. We'll directly do on this, and then we can do. Why it's important? Provides transparency for small, frequent cash transactions, helps in cash reconciliations, and what is that? Ensures financial control, facilitate audit readiness, readiness by keeping a detailed records of cash movement. And path, go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, cash journal. So cash journals create GL accounts for cash journals. Please make a note why it is important and what is the path to enter to the cash journal. Only this much you write. We are going to start practical. So is it done? So we'll start with the practical sessions. Put in chat box if you are ready. Type 1. Type 1 if you are ready to do this. We'll start the practical today. So done. Put a thumbs up if you have written down. Still not completed? Hello? Am I audible? Unmute yourself and response. Hello?
Yes, ma'am,
Is
you're
it
audible.
audible? You are not responding, then how we can start? Respond one, so we can start the practical sessions now. Okay, so this is the things and this is the path which you have to follow for the first. So now what we'll do? We'll open the software. We'll go to the SPRO. Okay, then SAP reference IMG. Then financial accounting. Then general ledger accounting. Then business transaction. Then cash journal. Account, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, then cash journal. See my pointer. There is no triangle, but one document type is there. You need to click there. You need to click on documentation. Hmm? Once you click on this documentation, this cash journals, you will get the screen. Click on this cash journal. So it will open one more screen, display IMG cash journal. Clear? Next, first option is create GL account for cash journal. We need to create one GL account. Click on this and we are going to create cash journals. So we need to change this company code. What is our IN25? Okay, so IN25 is displaying. So now I want to create. What I need to create? I want to create on 1 lakh 5 as a petty cash account. It is an asset. Okay, 1 lakh 5 I'm going to create. And I'll change the company code IN25. Make a note on this what I am doing now. Create GL account for cash journal. Everyone got the screen?
Ma'am,
Understood till
company
this?
code,
What
how
how
did you
to?
change?
You have to click on this company code here. Okay, here one option is displaying. No, there you click, change the company code.
Okay, after that?
Finish. After this, click on this screen is displaying for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Then give. You have to open the asset folder. What are the next number range you have to give? 1 lakh I have done cash. 1 lakh one ICICI Bank. 1 lakh furniture. 1 lakh three Sunday data. 1 lakh four. So I need to give 1 lakh five. Okay. Then click on tick mark. And now types and descriptions. This is balance sheet. This is asset. And what I need to create? Petty cash account. PETTY. Petty cash means small expenses. Petty cash A/C. Sorry. Right. Petty cash account, short text and long text. Long text also. Both you write. Means both you type. Then click on control data. Click on
Ma'am,
control
GL
data.
account 1 lakh.
What happened? Huh?
Said to
Next
create
number you have
GL
to give,
account, no,
which is
ma'am.
already there, you cannot give. GL account. It is GL account screen only we open. But open this folder and see what are the assets has been created. The next number you have to give for this.
Can you show that once again?
No, I cannot go back because already I have entered here. This is 1,05,000 I have given because this 4 has been already created. We have used also. So that cannot be deleted or edited
So
anyhow.
if it is 1 lakh, we have to use 1 lakh 1.
Your is how many it is there? You
Ma'am?
check once. Open the folder. Open the folder. Check which is the last number. Which is the last GL number for assets.
1 lakh 3.
Mine is 1,04,000 was the last.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Then next you give 1,04,000.
Okay, okay.
That is only 1,04,000. Click on enter. Types and descriptions. You select assets, short text, petty cash, long text, petty cash account. Full your type. I'm taking slowly. It's because it's a small concept. Done for this. So after this, go to the control data, and this is line item display, short key 001. And one more thing I want to tell you here. One second, I'll check it out. So control data same as it is INR and line item display click short key 001. And then you go to the create bank interest, give G001 and post automatically. In the create bank interest, you need to do some changes like changes means field status group will be G001 and post automatically only. Okay, post automatically only. Done. All the students, those who are doing finished. So after this, you need to click on save. Is it done? So after this, I'm going to save. So save this. Okay. Next, come back, and next option is not amount limit. Next option is define number range. This sentence you write define number range intervals for cash journal document. The option number 1, 2, 3, 4. Four number options you select. Don't select 2 and 3. Directly you select define number range intervals for cash journal document. Define number ranges for cash journal document. Clear? Once you click on this company code IN25 I'm giving, click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. Clear? Change intervals. Once you click on change intervals, I'll give intervals. Insert intervals. Clear? Insert intervals. Then are you able to do? Put response. Okay. Type 1 if you have done till this much. Okay, why today less students in holiday mood? Tomorrow is holiday. There is no class tomorrow. We'll conduct on Monday. So all few students are in I think holiday mode, so they have not joined today. Okay, but this concept it will not repeat on Monday. At last, those who have missed, I'll show once again. But today is the important class. Okay, so let's start with this. Click on intervals 0 1. Give 0 1 from account number. So what I'll do, I can select this, and this is 19 and something. Don't give that. You just give some number range, like I'll give as a 15 or 1600 to 25 or 2600. So it's taking. Do not use the 1 to all nines because it will finish your intervals. Okay, so like this you do and save. Something I've given 1600 to 2600. You can also give like this. You can give 26 to 25 to some numbers, but don't use the free intervals. It is one time it is there. If you use next time, you will not able to use that. You will not get any free intervals. So better you type on that. What is the meaning of that one to all five nines it displaying? Because means it is taking it one shot. If you use, then next time when you will create any number range, it will not allow you. Okay, the software that is the last some free limited intervals is there. So what is my suggestion? You can put some numbers, like you can give 100 also. You can give 10 to 100. You can give 10 to 200. You can give 1000 to 2000, like this anything. But 1000 to 2000 already we have done. Better you can use start with the 10 to 100, or suppose 110 to 210, like this you can give also number range, but do not use in this case free intervals. Clear? Once it is done, get let it be save here and back once. Clear? So this is the creation of define number range intervals for cash journal document. These things we have finished. Okay, next you write set of cash journal. Next is set of cash journal. Completed set of cash journals. Click on this, then click on position. Type the company code is 000. This we have to use. Students, you can type 0001, the default company code which is already given by the software that you can use. So SAP itself one default company is there, 0001, that you can type in the company code and click on tick mark. Once you click on the tick mark, uh, it is giving as a 0005, no issues. Just select the first one, okay? Then click on copy as. Okay. After this, click on copy as. Now change the company code. What is my company code? IN25. Okay, finished. Completed students, till this much any doubts is there?
Ma'am, the CG
Any
column is
doubts is there?
INCG.
If you have doubts, tell me.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes, tell me. Voice is breaking. Is it audible now? Is it audible? If it is audible, put your response here. Okay. Till this it has done. After this, press enter and save. What we need to do? Save. Save with the customizing request.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
If I press on enter, it is showing that ensure that account 1 lakh can only be posted to automatically.
You have not clicked on that. In the GL accounts, I shown you that. Post automatically only, that you have to click tick mark. Check with the GL accounts. In this, I shown you that when I clicked on this petty cash, I have done with the create bank interest. This I have done. See, this is post automatically. You have to click on this tick mark. You have not done this.
Mom, I have did, but still it is showing that.
Press enter and save. That's all. Know the things. 1 lakh why you are using? You have to create new one. 1 lakh already we have done for cash account. Who is doing 1 lakh now? 1 lakh you should not use, students. I told you the next number you have to take. That is only it is happening because you are overwriting on the cash journals. You are overwriting on the cash account. You should create different cash account. That is the mistakes. I got to know what is that. You don't
I wrote
alter on
one
the
lakh
cash
five.
account.
1 lakh 5 only I chose, ma'am, for the petty cash account.
So you can see what I have done. See on the screen. Access petty cash account in front of you only I have done. Control data. So this is your like as it is INR and posting date. Create bank interest is just you have to click tick mark and G001. No other changes I have done. Only I have clicked on this. And I told you when you are creating the, I'll show you once, when you are creating this defined document number range, that time what we need to do, IN25, and don't give 1 lakh also, I told you. I told you you can give some numbers which is not consist of this 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, like that, because we have already used that number range for other works and all. So you can give 100 also. I told you can give 1,000 also. Don't give. I have given that's what 1 plus 1600 to 2600. You can give 100 to 200 also. You can give 200 to 300 also. Anything is fine. 10 to 999 triple nine also you can give, that is also fine. Then you click on save, check with all these things, then you do that. Okay, so any other things, did you check?
Ma'am, that under CJ, we have to write it as INCJ.
INC, if you are using IN25 I'm using, no. What letters you are using for your company? What is your company code? What is your company code, tell me.
IN25.
Your same you are using, don't give INCJ, you give
Ma'am?
NNCJ. Some, if you'll use that one, I don't know, but you can use that one also. But it is all we are using. You can use one time, na. So give INCJ. We'll see that what can be done. I told you in the beginning also. You can create different names, different company. Your name Shaida means SY some 2 digit you can give, but still you are using. Don't give other name. Give same name only. INCJ. INCJ you give, and then a GL account is petty cash account number, that 1 lakh 5 or something you have created. No, that you give. So this is, there is no other things. Set of cash journals we have to do in that way. So positions, first you do not give your company code. First you have to do 0001. Okay, then click on this, then copy as, then you change. Under company IN25 I have given, and CJ under this INCJ I have given. This is I have given 1 lakh 5, and INR now to change anything. Okay, then you save it. So I'll show you what we have created. IN25, this is the company code. We have done this. See on this highlighted lines, this is the things. Clear? Done? For practice you can do one more time, but do only once. What is my suggestion? Don't do number of times. Then you have to give cash journal for HO. You can create multiple also. Cash journal for HO, cash journal for some other department, like a small any department. Here someone is given like cash journal 001, you have to give. if you are creating multiples. But what is my suggestions, create one time so you will not get any stuck problem. Clear? So what is that? It is for different departments also. We can HO for head office like that. Okay. You can do for branch office or something. You can do for cash journal for why it is used. For like finance department, sales department, different departments will be there. So that is why I told one lakh five separately I have created. Okay. So next is can I know who was asking that is getting post automatically only something?
Ma'am, it got
Who was
solved.
getting what is the mistake was there, Ayman? Very
Instead of
big mistake.
selecting that 1 lakh 5, I had selected 1 lakh.
Your voice is breaking. Voice is breaking. That is only I'm telling. It is overwriting your cash account. So the mistakes will happen. That's what I told. 1 lakh 5 separately I have created. Got it?
Yeah,
Now it
ma'am.
has been solved,
It is
Ayman.
yes,
So
ma'am.
we
It is
can do the
rectified now.
next one. It has happened because it's a new software, no? So we are keep on working on this, so we're knowing, but it's okay. Anyhow, rectification is done. Good. Then we'll continue the next one. Okay. So next one is create, change, delete business transaction. That's what always I tell in the class. You just ask the doubt. We'll get to know where is the mistake, and it can be rectified at that particular time. Yeah, so that's better actually. Next is right, create, change, delete business transaction. That ing activities you need to click. And one more last assignments for accounts receivable, accounts payable, and GST. I'll be giving you a next week. Okay. So for this week, that much the assignments everyone has done. It's very good. Thank you for that. You have submitted on the group. And another few assignments related to accounts receivable, accounts payable, and GST. Cash journals I'm not going to give any assignments. So few like 10 questions like how I have given, I'll give you, and practical what you have done, please send it. And if any time is left, then we'll do one small what is that? Um, Practical test also. Like I'll give you few transactions. You will create new company and you will enter that, and you can show me the what is that? GL balances. That's all. But already you have done, that is I'm satisfied with that, not an issues. But if time is there, then we can do 1 2 classes rest we, if we are getting for revision. That time I'll give you, you can do and submit in that particular time. Suppose I am giving create a new company and create the till chart of accounts, then you can create and show it me. That's all, send the screenshot. Means I am thinking that you are little bit faster to do this entries and all, so that can be done at last sessions and all, not now. And some few questions also I'm giving in the next session, next week, not this. Okay. So create, change, delete business transactions, click on this. And we have to click on this new entries. Okay. So click on new entries. Okay. Once you click on new entries, I want to show you what is that company code. But I want to show you something, students, please make a note on this. This is called business transaction style. This is mandatory to know. So please write what are the business transaction style. C for receipt from bank account, B for payment to bank account, R for revenue, E for expenses, D for customer posting, and K for vendor posting. Please make a note. It's a most important things in the cash journals. So receipt from bank means when we are getting cash as a interest receipt in the form of that. So that is called as a receipt from the bank account. When we payment from the payment to bank account, all these things we can send. And revenue like cash is it is belong to the sales account only. Expenses, any type of expenses like advertisement expenses, rent paid expenses, commission paid expenses, all it can be, all type of direct and indirect expenses comes under this, but which is already done by cash. This is related to cash journals. No check payment here, no check transactions, no online transactions. It is only for cash inflow and outflow. D for customer postings, when you are receiving cash from the customer. What is that? When we are selling the goods, we are getting the money in the form of cash. That transactions can be entered. And K is for vendor postings. Once it is done, let me know so we will start working on this. After this, one more step is there and we'll do posting entries. Okay, is it done, students? Tell me, those who have done, please reply once. Okay, what about others? Shaida has done. Ayman, okay. Next, Aditi, Abhinay, you all are doing. Nishita, Nityashri, Ifa, Humera, those who are attending, all. Meryl, okay. Madeline also, okay. Mishita, Babita, are you doing? Have you understood this? Okay, let's proceed for the next one. So, what I am saying, just close this. First, I am going to give company code. What is that? IN25. You can also use students, but it should be
Ma'am, your
from
screen is not visible.
screen is not visible. Okay, one second. But it is already shared. One second, I'll check it out. It's already shared. Is it not displaying?
No, ma'am, it is not visible.
Okay, I think it is disconnected. Now you see once it will display. Actually, internet is little slow here. Is it displaying? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Next you do. First you have to give company code. Then this is your business type. So you have to select C, receipt from bank. Okay. Which account has to give? Here we have to give. What we have to select? Who can answer me now? We need to select ICICI Bank student. and this is, you should not do, this is a tax code. So what I'll do, business transaction is cash receipt from bank. This is receipt, right? Cash receipt from bank. You understood? Cash receipt from bank. This is what I have selected. No, receipt from bank account. Okay, so cash receipt from bank. Likewise, we need to do IN25, and this is what? B. So what I'll select here? B. B from payment to bank account. This you have to select ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank account number only you have to give. So cash payment to bank. Cash paid to bank. Okay, cash receipt from bank and cash payment to bank. Next is IN25, and this is your next one is revenue. So revenue means you have to select sales account. Sales account. So this is known as cash sales.
Ma'am, for second, what you have selected? GL account?
Cash. This is both are ICICI bank account only. This is I have selected sales account.
Okay.
And this is the expenses, E for expenses. Okay, so for expenses, any type of expenses is there that we can select. We have any expenses account is there, purchase is there, but
Advertisement is
rent
there.
paid I'm taking. Okay, no issues. Rent paid is there. If you have advertisement expenses something, also we can take it. So this is paid expenses. You have to just type paid expenses. You have stationery expenses, you have advertisement expenses, rent paid expenses, commission paid, any type of expenses you can take on this. Okay, next is IN25, and this is I'm going to select D. D for customer posting. Do not give GL account for this, just you type cash received from customer. Cash received from customer. Do not give GL account for that. And this is K. K for vendors. For vendors and customers, we are not giving GL because that will be varying like. Okay, so we need not to put that. So cash payment PYMT, payment to vendor. Okay, so please make a note. I'll come in just 5 minutes. Stay online. So is it completed? All students has done for this? Okay. So after this, what we need to do? Click on save and save with the customizing request. That's all. Then one more last procedure is there, and back once. What we did, that is we have saved. So to check, you can click on positions and give IN25. You just check it, it has been done. See, it is done. Okay. Then save and back. Next, last step is set of print parameters for cash journal. Make a note on this. Set of print parameters for cash journal. Completed. So click on this set of print parameters. Give the positions same 0001. Company code you give 0001. That is, it will show 0005. Not an issues. Click on this and copy as. Can give 0005 also, and better you give one. Someone has changed. So then you change this to company code. And
Are we supposed
other
to click
things
on
you,
new entries, ma'am?
yes, tell me.
Are we supposed to click
You
on
have,
new entries?
no. Position you click, give the company code 0001. Okay, which is the first row is displaying, 0005 is displaying. No, select that one first row and click on copy as. You are getting the screen? Hmm?
I'm getting 0100, ma'am. If I put company code 111 and
1 second. I'll just check it out. Set of print parameter. Click on positions 0001. So here what is displaying? 0005 is displaying. Hmm? First row. What I am selecting? First row. You have to select.
yes, ma'am, got it.
Huh. Then you click on this copy as. Click on this copy as. Then change this to your company code. So IN25. After this, nothing changes has to do. Just press enter. Okay. Then save. That's all. Just press enter and save. Do not do anything else. Is required, some other settings are there. Just it is a procedure of cash journals, we need to do that. Yeah. So these all steps has been done. Now we have to go to the back. So again you come back, close this screen, cash journal screen, put this slash and enter. So come to the SAP Easy Access screen. So go to the back button, back, and close the cash journals that screen. And in the T code bar, type slash n and come back to the SAP Easy Access screen. Everyone has done till this because only transaction posting is left. Everyone has done till this much. What about Abhinay, Aditi, Nishita? You understood till this much? Okay, fine. Those who are attending, please put your response. So we'll get to know. Huh? Disha is not putting response today. What about Disha? Disha, any doubt is there? Okay. Next is SAP Easy Access screen. Go to the accounting, financial accounting. Then we have to click on general ledger. This is FBCZ. This is the T code, students. This is the T code. You can write cash journal posting T code is FBCZ. That's what I told. Don't write. Will you can write from the screen. FBCZ is for cash journal posting. There is the transactions code for this. We'll do 1-2 postings, then this chapter will complete. Next week we are going to start with GST Monday. Next week I think full week class is there. Then after that one more that we have it 2 classes scheduled. So next week full classes, Monday to Friday. Next week that is from 18 to 22 full classes is there. I think there is no holidays. And after that 25th then one more is there. 28, 29, I think. We'll get to know that. So next is FBCZ. Click on this and I need to change the company. This one. Here it is displaying no change. Students, you see where to change the cash journals. It is some others to other companies cash journal. So I need to change. Okay. So other company code is displaying. I want to change with this my company code. IN25. What company code you are using, what cash journals you have created, that numbers and all you have to give. Okay, so I'll create an INCZ. Then click on the tick mark. Clear? See the screen first. I am putting in the middle. You can see here. You can see properly. Company code IN25, cash journal INCZ. Click on this tick mark. Now, what is that here? What are the transactions? Now it is showing for me opening balance 0, cash received 0, check received 0, cash payment 0, nothing has done. So first we have to do cash receipt. Click on cash receipt. We should have money to do transactions, right? So we have to do first cash receipt. It will show defaultly cash payment, but you have to click on cash receipt. I am selecting first business transactions. What I will select? Uh, One second. I'll select cash receipt from bank. Cash receipt from bank. Okay. Amount, suppose I am receiving 50,000. Big amount you give. Okay. Then GL account it will ask. Which is the GL account? Bank account I have to give. Which bank that we have to give. First you do till this much. Once you have entered, press enter.
Ma'am, GL account, what should we select?
See, posting period, this is not open. What is it displaying here? Acha, it is asking for posting period is not open. Uh, okay, I did one big mistake, students. One second. I'll tell you. That is, it's an old financial, it's displaying. Pa. You need to change this. Okay. To current things we have to do. This is one mistakes has done by me, so please rectify this. It's a 14th August you need to pay, you need to do that. That's what it is showing the wrong entries. Clear? Please change the display period. You can take, suppose you are entering some transactions today, some transactions this week, okay, sometimes current period, so you can see according to this particular things what are the total receipt, what are the total payments. But right now I'm not doing with the check receipt, I'll just do cash receipt and cash payment. So it will display the closing balance here. Clear? Change the date format, means that date display period you should change. Now I'll do the same things once again. Cash receipt from bank, I'm going amount as a 50,000. Okay. GL account I'm going to give ICICI Bank. You can select and save reels. So it is become the triangle yellow. Then you can select this and post the reels. Post the seal. So it will become green. It's a little loading. One second. Okay, so green. This has been done. Now you can see it is reflecting on the opening balance. So cash received 50,000. Likewise, I will do one more entries. That is cash receipt from customer. So customer, why I'm not taking? We can take students, but did you remember our any customer number so that we can do it? Let's take 10,000 from customer. We'll check it out once. Okay. This is, it will ask you. Then I have to give Sunday data account. I'll try if it is taking okay. If it is asking the customer, see, customer does not, you have to give the enter a customer transactions account here, it is asking. So it is asking customer, do you remember the customer name? Search term, it is okay. We have created Raj company. Now we'll try to save the reels. Wow, it is taking. Okay, then you post the sales. So account business area. Okay, business area it is asking again. Acha, business area it is asking. So, what is the business area? IN25 we have to give. Where is that business area? It is went out. Huh. One second. Here we have to give IN 25. Okay, then post the sales. Yes, it's done. So students, try to do this. Try to do this. So, but recipient name it will ask you, means the customer name you can do. So one more, if I'll do cash sales, that is also received, and I'm receiving cash sales as a 25,000. What I need to select here, the GL account, and I need to select GL account as a sales account. So click on this, save reels, save seal. Okay, then post. So it is getting posted. Please do this, then we'll do for cash payment. First, these three you do it. So it is just asking Sunny data is not accepting. It is just asking for the recipient number. Okay. Likewise, we can do for cash payment. So cash receipt, have you are done? So please do and take a screenshot and send it in the group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Any doubts is there?
When I'm trying to select the GL account, I'm not getting the ledger accounts that we created. I'm getting some other company code accounts.
Other company code account means what you are getting on that? No, you have to
MM01.
change. No, that's what I told you. You have to change here. You have to change here, then you can do it. Change
That
from
is
there
changed,
only.
ma'am. That is showing my company code only.
Then there is some mistakes. You change this date also. Why it
Yes,
will
ma'am. This
show
is
I am
also
doing,
changed.
but I am not getting because once you change everything, it will be on your screen. We'll do it no class. Next class I'll show you once again. Not cash journal. Few students is not attended. No, I'll show you once again. So this is cash receipt. Then we'll do cash payment on this. Cash receipt entry. And next is cash payment will go. You see that, try once, somewhere you have to change something. Company code, what is displaying on your cash journal? INC is a company code after change is displaying. Is it displaying after that? Same procedure for cash payment to bank. Amount I'll pay 10,000. GL account is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. Okay. And other things not required. Click on this. Save seal and then post. Likewise, we can do for cash paid to vendors. Cash payment to vendor, and this is I'm giving suppose 15,000. 15,000 till suppose I am giving 11,000. This is I will select creditor, but we need to give the vendor's name. One second, I'll try to save. So it is asking deleted customer vendor account, it is asking. So we have to select the vendor. So Ajita, I have taken and try to save the reels. It is asking again business area, I think. So it is taking and you can select and post the sales. I think again it will ask the business area. Now it is getting posted. So next one is I'll be doing here like we have done paid expenses. Rent paid 10,000 or I'll give 8,000 and now to do GL accounts. Rent paid. Click on this. Save reels. Post reels. So this is all cash payment. So this is the last students, last transactions for the day. After this, nothing you have to do, and the chapter is over. We cannot just do printer, but this much postings we can do it.
Ma'am, even after changing the company code, also I'm not getting it.
You want to share the screen, then only I can do, but we'll do in the next class. Okay, time is
Ma'am, that
almost
last
ending.
thing, can you repeat in the next class?
Yes, definitely I'll repeat. No issues. Today time
Okay,
is
ma'am.
over. So you just before starting the GST, okay, or else I'll show you once again, then I'll start. Not an issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Those who have not got this, that day you can share the screen and you can clear the doubts because that day I'll be taking theory. Okay, just I'll take for a few minutes theory, like 30 minutes or 30 minutes I'll be taking 30 or 35 45 minutes I'll be taking 6:45 only you can share the screen and you can solve it out, no issues. In the middle of the class also, yeah, middle of the session you can share the screen. I'll help you, don't worry about this. Okay, that's all for the day students. I'll send the screenshot. Just download this, check if you are possible to do or else will be in the next class. That's all for the day. Bye bye.